Hello, this is Cory Mann, Poseidon Ponds and Landscaping. I am here at the Madison Center School in Wyandotte, Michigan, and we got a call earlier this year for some help on this pond. This is a school for special needs students and young adults, and they absolutely love this water feature, but it's definitely suffered over the years with varying different types of equipment added. People have come and gone in terms of helping them, and it's really a peaceful place for them. So we at Poseidon look forward to taking this current water feature, pulling it out and building a brand new one, and we would love if you would help us out. Any type of way that you'd like to help us get this thing rebuilt for them, whether it's a financial donation or if it's volunteering for the reconstruction, we'd love to have you. It's a big part of Poseidon and who we are to do things for people that will enrich their lives, make them healthier and a lot less stress in their lives. So we appreciate any and everything that you could do for us. Thank you so much.